If you've ever gone back and forth with a client trying to find a time to meet, does Tuesday work? No, how about Thursday? I can do 2 p.m. I'm booked then. There is a much better way, and it's already built right into Google Calendar. Hi, I'm Marta, digital marketing consultant and creator of Accountabilibuddies, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up booking pages in Google Calendar. Booking pages lets you create a personal booking page with a shareable link. You set your availability once, share the link with clients or potential customers, and they pick a time that works for them. No back and forth, and no need to pay for third-party scheduling calendars or apps. The appointment automatically shows up on your calendar, and both of you get a confirmation email. One quick thing to know, this feature is only available on Google Workspace accounts. If you are on a free personal Google account, you can still create one basic booking page to try it out. But premium features like email reminders and multi-calendar conflict scheduling are only available on paid Workspace plans. If you're interested in trying out Google Workspace, I'll put a link in the description below. Here's how to set it up. Open Google Calendar on your desktop. Click the plus icon next to booking pages. Give your booking page a title. The title is what your clients will see when they visit your booking page, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. Next, you'll set up your availability. This is when you tell Google when you're open to take bookings. You can set different hours for each day of the week, but be realistic here. Only open up the times you actually want to be meeting with people. You can also set a scheduling window, which controls how far in advance someone can book and how much notice you require. For example, you might want at least 24 hours notice so you're not caught off guard by someone booking into your calendar on the same day. You can also add buffer times, maximum bookings per day, and allow guests to invite others under booked appointment settings. Avoid scheduling conflicts by adding your various calendars to make sure no one books when you're not available. And you can also add co-host if you have a colleague or assistant who regularly sits in on all your meetings. On the next page, add a photo and name to your booking page. I suggest a photo of yourself or a company logo. Then choose meeting location. You can pick Google Meet, in-person, phone call, or none if you'll handle that detail on a case-by-case basis. You can add a description and booking form to gather information about the people you're meeting with. If you require payments to schedule an appointment, you can connect your Stripe account and add your cancellation policy. Set up reminders so no one forgets about your meeting. Once your appointment schedule is saved, tap the copy link icon to grab your page URL to share it with clients. You can drop it in your email signature, add it to your Instagram bio, put it on your website, or send it directly in a message. And that's it. A one-time setup, and your clients can book with you anytime without a single scheduling email or back and forth. And if staying on top of things like this feels overwhelming, that's exactly why I created Accountabilibuddies. It's a community for small business owners where we cover social media tips and platform updates, and we meet weekly for accountability calls, so you're never navigating this stuff alone. Your first month is completely free, so you can try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. I'll link it in the description. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this. I'll see you next week.